Oh, hello. So let's finish this subunit. Let's get to the good stuff. We want to talk about synthetic division. Synthetic division. This is awesome. You're going to love this. So the idea is, let's go over some of these questions. Is x minus 1 a factor of x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6? This is the original question. Watch this. This is great. Step 1, set this equal to 0, solve for x, and put that number in what I call the perch. That's step 1. Right? Step 2, write the coefficients of the polynomial next to the perch. So x to the fourth, 1. X to the third, 0. Don't forget that. X squared, 3. X, 2, constant, negative 6. Draw a line. Ready? Drop the 1. 1 times 1, put it there. Add it. 0 plus 1, 1. What's 1 times 1? 1. Add it. What's 1 times 4? Add it. What's 1 times 6? Add it. Nice. Because you have a 0 here, you have a remainder. It's a remainder of 0. That means 1 is a factor of x cubed to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. And you have the reduced fraction right there. X minus 1 times x to the third plus x squared plus 4x plus 6. Yes, so much better. Let's try another one. What's another one we did today? Is x minus 2 a factor? Can you see that? Yeah. Is a factor of x to the third plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 10. Step 1, set x minus 2 equal to 0, x equals 2, put it in the perch. Step 2, write the coefficients out. 1, 3, negative 5, 10. 1, 3, negative 5, 10. Draw the line. Drop the 1. What's 2 times 1? 2. Add them together. What's 2 times 5? 10. Add them together. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah. Oh, it was minus 10. Sorry, I made a mistake. What's 2 times 5? 10. 0. Nice. So not only is x minus 2 a factor, but we have the reduced polynomial of x squared plus 5x plus 5. What's great about this? Well, we now have a linear, and we now know how to factor the quadratic. Once we get down to a quadratic, we're good to go. We can find all the zeros, right? Think about that. Let's try another one. Ready? Let's try another example that we did today. Ready? Is 2x minus 3 a factor of x to the third minus 2x squared minus x plus 3. Why don't you try it on your own? Okay, we're back. Step 1. Set the factor equal to 0 equals 3 over 2. Stick it in the perch. Right? Let's see if this works, right? Put the coefficients 1, negative 2, negative 1, 3. Let's see. Bring down the 1. Bring up the 2/3. Let's see. 4 halves minus 3 halves minus 4 halves equals 1 half. Negative 1 half. Let's see. We multiply, bring it up. Negative 3/4. Negative 4/4 minus 3/4, negative 7/4. Let's see. 3/4 times 7/4. What do we have? Negative 21 over 8. Does that equal 0? Not 0. So we don't have a factor here. Like we saw, it was not 0. So 2x minus 3 is not a factor. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay. Should we try another one? Or we're good? Okay, here's the question. You ready? Here's the question that I'm giving you tonight. Now use any, so, I'm sorry, let me ask you something else. Is x minus 1 a factor of x to the 3rd minus 1? So you say, okay, put this in the perch. X minus 1 equals 0. X equals 1. We have 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Bring down the 1, 1 times 1. Bring down the 1, 1 times 1. Bring down the 1, 1 times 1. 0, it is. It turns out that x, now this is important, x cubed minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. That's kind of cool. Is x plus 1 a factor of x to the 3rd plus 1? Well, we have a quick way of doing that. We know that negative 1 goes in the perch. We have 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 0. Nice. Yes, x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus x equals x cubed plus 1. Okay, and I'm going to throw this at you. I'm going to freak you out a little bit. X to the n minus b to the n. Is prove, you're going to like this, prove that x minus b is a factor of x to the n minus b to the n. Right? Prove that x minus b is a factor of x to the n minus b to the n. Well, I'm going to leave that to you. You can contact me if you have a question. Let's get to IB stuff. Here's a question from IB. Let's see. P of x equals x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 8. And we're told that x minus 2 is a factor, and x minus 3 has a remainder of 2. Find A and B. So you have a couple of methods you can do this. You can do the remainder theorem. So the idea is whenever you see two variables, two unknowns, you know you're going to have a system of equations. I like to do this. I love synthetic division. You can use the remainder theorem if you want. I'm going to do synthetic. Well, I'm going to start with x minus 2. So I know that 2, 1, a, b, negative 8. So let's see, drop the 1. 2 times 1, 2. 8 plus 2. 2a plus 4. 2a plus 4 plus b. Multiply that by 2, we get 4a plus 2b plus 8. Now when we add this together, we have 4a plus 2b, but because we were told that it is a factor, the remainder is 0. We have our first equation in the system. We can do synthetic division again. Now take x minus 3, set that equal to 0, put 3 in the perch, and do the same thing again. 1, a, b, negative 8. Bring number 1, 3 times 1 is 3, a plus 3. 3 times 3a plus 9, 3a plus b plus 9, multiply by 3, 9a plus 3b plus 27. We have 9a plus 3b minus 19 equals, what are we told as the remainder of? 2. We have our second system. Now this works out nice because we have 9a plus 3b equals 21. Divide everything by 3. 3a plus b equals 7. That's our better equation. Bring these together. Let's see, 4a plus 2b equals 0. 3a plus b equals 7. You can do it anyway, but the idea is you're going to get a system of equation you solve for the two variables. What do you think? We have a couple, but we could say that. We could say that b equals negative 2a. Therefore, we have 3a minus 2a equals 7, a equals 7, and b equals negative 14. That's the idea. And so there's a bunch of questions like that. Oh no, I made a mistake somewhere. Find my mistake and tell me where I went wrong. And that's it. So practice synthetic division. That's the idea. So you're going to do 3a number 3, and you're going to do 3b 1ab 4 through 11. You need to do this 4 through 11. This is definitely every IB test has this. So I'm going to work on this. Okay.